bed monster.
Leave me alone.
Here she is.
Stop it.
Welcome to the life of a digital nomad. Here's me, dressed, showered, clean, shaved, working. Here's the bed monster.
I don't know about you guys, I definitely struggle getting out of bed and like really starting my day when it's winter time. Like bed is just so nice and cozy, and then the outside world is cold, but obviously have to. But welcome to another week in Barcelona with me. This week I'm going to be taking you around, doing a lot more exploring. I want to see some big sites of Barcelona. Obviously we have like Sagrada Familia and Parc Guell and some other Gaudi sites. And then just obviously try some more food, because the food here is, it is so good. So to eat more food, have a bunch of client work to do this week. Soon my podcast, have some new projects going on, so that's good for me, but also obviously lots of work during the week. But yeah, excited for this week, and really just been enjoying Barcelona. The fall's been super mild, the weather's been really nice, and the sunshine definitely adds another layer of just nice warmness even when it's a bit chilly. But I'm excited because this is my first fall in 4 years. I haven't done a fall since 2018 because I left America in September of 2019 and then was gone, so I haven't done like an actual fall in so long. So it's been really nice being here. Like I've actually just been enjoying wearing sweaters and like being a bit cozy. Obviously, like I said, the mornings getting out of bed have been a little bit harder, but I also think it's like Spanish buildings. They literally do not hold heat in well. And like our building specifically, if there's like a gust of wind, our front door will like rattle and our windows will rattle. So it just goes to show like the draft is so bad. So it can be quite chilly in here, but all can survive that. But yeah, let's get ready for another day in Barcelona and another new week. Well, made it to the tourist zone capital, basically I always say, of Barcelona, Placa Catalunya, literally where most people get, I think, pickpocketed, and there's tons and tons of pigeons and lots of tourists, and obviously it leads to Las Ramblas, which is another really touristy zone, but I'll walk you through to see all the pigeons. Loads of little pigeons everywhere, and people and kids running, and tourists. But just I gotta explore all the sites of Barcelona, obviously touristy and non-touristy ones too. Let's go! Day in life in Barcelona. Gonna take you food shopping with us to our local grocery store, show you what's going on. Yeah. So we got all our groceries for the week, went a little food shop, Usually he's like a weekly food shop. But just the two of us, it's actually not that bad. The prices in Spain are way better than they are in America, for sure, for food. But excited because we have some stuff to make for Thanksgiving this week, so I'll be cooking on Thursday for our Friendsgiving. I'm so excited. I love Thanksgiving food. But yeah, that was a really So I will take you to tea with me and Harry to a cute little brunchery spot, and then we're gonna go work for the day and explore a bit about Barcelona. So see you there. No one saw that. So today I'm actually going to be cooking a dish that I found on Instagram. It has been delicious. I cooked it before. It came out really, really good. It is like a chickpea roasted cauliflower honey paprika roast veg with like honey and salt and pepper and some lemon, and it is so good. So let's make it. So I have chopped my cauliflower into nice little pieces and put that in the pan, and I'm going to be covering that with loads of pepper, salt, and paprika. Our oven has this nice safety feature. It drives me crazy. The heat that comes out is insane. Then we put it in for 35 minutes. Of course, in between cooking is a wine break. Can't really cook, or I can't really cook without a little glass of wine. It just helps pass the time. Cauliflower has come out all roasted and nice. And like I said, we have our avocado, our onion ready, and our lime to go in. So let's finish off the dish. Oh, nice and cozy Sunday morning. It has been such a fun week exploring, doing more of Barcelona, going to main sites, Sagrada Familia and Parc Guell, and just really kind of taking in as much as we can. I definitely wanted to take Harry to a bunch of different areas of Barcelona to show him, because the city is quite big if you really think about it, and if you look at the layout, there is so much going on and there's a lot to see in the city. So I think it's important to like hit the main spots and then also do a little perusing down random streets and random areas. And for instance, like St. Anthony, where we live, I really have never explored before. I didn't really come this way when I lived here last time, so it's been really fun exploring this neighborhood and like seeing different areas, and then also just getting to see what's new in the city since the last 8 years that I haven't lived here. So it's been a really fun week exploring, and next week is Thanksgiving week and I'm super excited. Gonna do Friendsgiving, gonna see some people. Harry's friend is coming to visit for the weekend, and then the Christmas market starts, so I am literally so excited. But now I am getting ready to have a chill one, but gonna still explore and get some delicious food, which I will be sharing with you next week. So if you're enjoying this channel and if you like seeing my vlogs and like seeing about Barcelona life and also tips and different things on digital nomad life, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button though, so you never miss out on any of the weekly vlogs or the daily videos that are going to be coming up, and I have so much more to share. Obviously, we're here in Barcelona for a few more weeks, and then we head off to Portugal, Lisbon, for a week before heading home to the holidays, and I'm taking you around New York City for Christmas time, which is just spectacular. And then back to the UK for New Year's Eve, and then back to Europe for winter while we get our visa and taking through the visa process and all that. So there's loads to come. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. And I love having you here. So can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.